Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I am going to be making some chocolate crinkle cookies. They're supposed to be really good. It's like a 5-star reviewed thing, but like I'm not that good at baking. I can like make dinner and like it'd be really good. Like I made dinner tonight and it was really good. So like I can make dinner and it be good, but like baking like cake and cookies, I'm not the best at. So we're gonna attempt, and then I'm gonna have my family try them to get honest opinions from other people, not just me. Because if I say they're good, they're probably not good because my taste buds are horrible. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I was getting out the ingredients and realized we don't have sugar. I'm gonna set you in my cabinet. Okay, so this is our sugar bin. And we keep our flour in here, and we keep our sugar in here, and all our sugar is gone. And I feel like it would taste really nasty without sugar, but I'm gonna make it without sugar. So let's not tell my mom just because she won't eat them or she won't let me make them. But I'm just gonna make them without sugar. Okay, so. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be real honest. I did not look at the like instructions beforehand. And it seems like a lot of work, but I'm still gonna do it. I don't know, but like, I don't know, because I feel like it's gonna be nasty without the sugar. Oh, but there's like our cocoa, like it's supposed to use cocoa powder, but like we don't have that, so I'm using like this Nestle Quick, like stuff to make chocolate milk if you don't have chocolate milk or whatever. So I'm gonna use this, but like there's no sugar added. Really, like this is the time we need sugar added. Like what the heck? I don't know if any of this stuff has sugar in it, so I don't. Oh yeah, powdered sugar has sugar in it, but I don't know. So, but like it seems really hard, but I have to do it before my mom comes down here, because if my mom comes down here and she sees that I did not add sugar, she's gonna get real mad. So I have all my ingredients out, it's right here, and I just need to follow the instructions. Okay, so I'm looking at this. So I have like, so far I have the flour, the cocoa powder, or the Nestle Quick milk powder, and the baking powder in, powdered sugar, and then I will talk to you after I mix it. Okay, so it says in like a mixer like type thing, you're supposed to cream together the oil, the eggs, and the vanilla extract, but I don't want to do that. Takes too long. But I read that you have to let this stuff chill for 2 hours. It's a long time. Yeah, but hopefully these taste good. It smells good, but I don't know if it's gonna taste good. Okay, so I don't want to lie to you, but this looks disgusting. And sounds disgusting. But I don't know, I did everything it said except add sugar, obviously. So I don't know. It has to chill for 2 hours, but like it's room temperature. Okay, so it says to put it in the refrigerator to let it chill for 2 hours, but I'm just gonna put it in the freezer and let it chill for 10 minutes. I really like, I should have read it and like done a recipe that doesn't take this long, but yeah, this is taking me a long time. Okay, so there it is in the freezer. Gonna go buy that. Okay, I'm really gonna watch like a couple YouTube videos, and then I should be able to finish the rest. I just thought, like, I don't want it to freeze. Like, I know it's supposed to be like cold, but like I don't want it to like be frozen to where you can't mix it around. So there's my kitchen. Oh, I should turn the light off. I don't know. Light off. Okay, so I'm gonna watch some YouTube, maybe TikTok. I don't know. Follow me on TikTok. Here it is. Yeah, but we will check on those later. Okay guys, so it's been like 15 minutes. It's pretty cold. And then I put parchment paper on a cookie sheet, and then I have powdered sugar here. So I'm gonna roll it. Oh, so first you have to preheat the oven to 350, okay? And then you have to roll it in balls, and then roll it in there, and then put it on the cookie sheet, and then put it in there. So I'll show you when they're done. Okay, so these are the cookies before they go in the oven. They're gonna cook on 350 for 10 minutes. So they look pretty good, don't they?
Oh.
Do you think they look good?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I just took them out of the oven, and then we will try them.
Stop.
Why didn't you like them?
They're gross. You're
You're
terrible
the
chef.
only one that thinks they're gross.
You're a terrible chef.
You're mean. So I got like 5 out of 6 people to like my cookies. So that's pretty good for me.
I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
So they're good?
Yeah.
Okay. I think they're really good. This is what they look like. My family, my dad had one, he said it was good. My mom had one, said it was good. My little brother had one, said it was good, and he wanted another one, so that's a plus.
This is my third.
That's her third one. This is my first.
Well, you tried
I tried one, but like this is my first whole one.
Kind of like mine.
Okay,
Second
I think my brother's coming to get another one. Are you coming to get another one? Here, tell them how good they are.
They're delicious. Here, eat
Break
the
these.
rest of that.
I'll eat it. Put it down. So they could tell there wasn't sugar in it. They said it would be better if there was more sugar in it. But yeah, so that is my cooking video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.